will be relatively simple, as most are. Under fractions, simply put, we are going to draw some pictures of them. Sometimes that helps us out a little bit. Draw pictures. And as we talk about drawing pictures, ladies and gentlemen, if you're asked to draw pictures and they don't specify, generally speaking, if you're doing fractions, it's better to use rectangles because those are easier to cut in pieces. Now, there are some instances when circles are okay. For example, if I were showing a circle, if I was trying to find 1/2 of a circle, if you think back to what 1/2 means or what a fraction means, the bottom number is how many equal pieces you can cut something into. And in this case, my circle, I could cut it in half like this. The top number, by the way, this is the denominator, right? The top number is the numerator. Let's say I was just going to shade that part here. This, boom, would be drawing 1/2. Now you could cut, the thing is with a circle, there's multiple ways to show this. They all kind of mean the same thing. Instead of cutting it in half that way, I could cut it in half this way. Half could be on an angle, whatever. Also with 1/4, circles are okay. How do you cut a circle into fourths? Well, you just put a plus sign in the middle of it, and you cut it into fourths. If you are showing 3/4, you then would shade 3 of those 4 things. Okay. If you're showing 8s, circles are good too. Why? Because if you're showing 8s, let's say I wanted to show 5/8, a circle works as well because it's pretty easy to cut a circle into 8s. What's the easy way to cut a circle into 8s is you draw a plus sign and a multiplication sign. And if you do that, you end up with 8s. And 5/8 of them you would shade in 5 of them. But we kind of hit a brick wall if I asked you to show me 4/5. Because cutting a circle into fifths gets to be a little on the dicey side. It's not as easy. You could think about the peace sign or whatever that is, kind of that story maybe. So usually, if we do 4/5 and like that, usually it'll ask you to show that in the form of a rectangle. And the nice thing about rectangles, ladies and gentlemen, kids of all ages, is that on your homework paper, you've got lots and lots of squares to draw straight lines with. Now, if you were a smart 5th grader and thinking a little bit ahead, how wide, just for fun, how wide would you make this? A good idea would be to make it 5. Yeah, you'd want to do your little tiny squares. You would find and make it 5 little squares long, because then to cut it into 5 equal pieces, you would just draw on each one of the lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you've got them, and you just shade 4 of them. And you've already got the square, so there shouldn't be a lot of, kind of free-handing stuff, because it's all kind of given to you. Or, how many different ways could I show 7/8 if I were doing rectangles? Well, you could do this and cut this into 8 pieces this way, right? And shade 7 of them. But if you start thinking outside the box, another way to show 7/8, you could do this. I've cut my box into 8 equal pieces, and it doesn't matter what 7 I shade. I could shade this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. That would be 7/8, because I cut it that way. The book asks the question, how many different ways, draw a rectangle. Wait, what else did they ask us here? How many different ways can you shade 1/4 of a square? Shade 1/4 of a square. Well, the obvious one would be to take a square, which is all sides are equal, and do what with it? What would be one way to do it? How could I cut that and get 1/4 of it? Ava? What's that? Like this? And shade 1/4 of it. That would work. How about a second way to do it? Grayson?
Across.
You could put a cross in it, and then shade whatever ones you want. Well, I guess it could be that one, could be any of those. Another way to do a square? Caleb?
Put like lines in the middle.
This?
No, like how to.
Oh, yeah, which would be this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you could cut it in the lines the other way, right? By the way, if you want to cut something in fourths, a good way to do it is cut it in half, because that's easy to tell, and then cut each half in half. There's 1/4 of it, right? Any other ways to cut a square so that you get exactly 1/4? Anybody think of any other ones? Caleb?
Make a window, like do like a. Oh, we already got that.
I've already got a window. That might be most of them there. I don't know if the book gives us any other ones. Would I cut it like this, like this, like this, like this?
But that's not.
Nope. 'Cause you could probably, this would probably give you a third of it. If you cut this like this, it'd probably be a third, because if you put this one with that one, it'd probably be a third. Not a fourth. Not a fourth. Jane?
Have it where you draw a square and have it where it's going 1, 2.
Yeah, but you couldn't do that.
unequal.
Jane just, yeah, you're saying you could kind of, thinking you could kind of do it like this, but the problem with that is your pieces,
Yeah.
you cut it into 4 pieces, but they're not all equal, so that would hurt. What if you did a triangle? Would those all be equal? You cut a triangle like this.
That's
Believe it or not.
4.
No, I think the bottom one would be, you probably have to cut it like this. Then maybe
Maybe.
they would all be equal. Anyway, neither here nor there. And ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry to tell you, but that is all there is.
Yeah.